back. We're gonna actually stretch my sister's boyfriend's wheel, and then she got a new exhaust from HKS, so we're gonna put that on. It's cat back, I think. Yeah, she's cat back. So we're gonna go to fucking Bryce's job so they can stretch it, because it's a fast stretch. I'll show you guys when we get there, but that's the plan today. Let's get some rollers of them right now. So let's get it. So this is my sister's S14. She already got tires for the rear, but we haven't put them on. So and then she's gonna put exhaust on. This is stretchy boy.
First, cheers to being gay.
Being gay?
Yeah, they wrote it on my fucking dishwasher.
Who told you?
The mystery. What we got here? Drugs. Nope. Come on, dog.
It was done. Now my phone's gonna fly. Oh, that's so nice.
Whoa.
So nice.
Whoa. The big one. Sheesh. That's nice. Look at the stock one. Stock S14. For sale 5,000 because it's OEM. Let me know. DM her.
It was like $3.
We're gonna put this on. RIP the wheel. We didn't get it. It didn't work out.
Yeah, I'm getting fired.
Yeah. Don't say that.
This is bad.
It's a fat tip.
It's like,
What's in there?
I want to get the heart tip though.
Oh,
The what? The heart?
The Dollar Tree special.
She was hell.
Pretty much.
Yeah, but you got s'mores crackers on your head.
You want a chair?
That's just static, dude.
Is it rubbing?
Yeah.
Try bending it.
We'll just leave the exhaust like that, look. We'll just leave the exhaust like that.
Damn, babe, I'm on wires, huh?
Yeah, I'm sorry, you're so pretty. We're gonna leave your exhaust like that, right?
Okay. Yay.
Give me exhaust. I'm gonna get fucking pliers.
Then I'm
having fun, Freddy.
Go.
No, that's a ratcheting wrench too, right?
Alright, start it.
Start it? I'm not starting.
Hey, you're gonna start it. It's your car. Come on.
Start it, boy.
Start it.
Oh god, look who showed up. Oh my god. The ricer. Damn.
Rev it.
Has a good tone to it, actually. There. Got the wheels back on. And the exhaust. And this guy's here. Whoa.
Whoa, man.
Needs more fitment.
You just noticed that?
Needs more fitment.
You just noticed that? Come on.
It needs more spacer.
Man, what'd you eat
And
out?
rolled fenders.
Did you eat out?
Ew.
Did you eat out a cat?
Mm.
Dirty. Sheesh. Sheesh. So, my car is all over there. And this truck just hit my sister's S14. He smacked it. The fender's like pushed in. It's pushed in. And it was this guy's fault. Because she was on this lane and the truck literally went on the emergency lane and just smacked her.
Y'all just have the wheels blowed out, rubbing the rims on purpose. No, it doesn't rub. Huh? It doesn't rub. Because that one over there, one of the tires is all slippery.
Oh no, that one's out.
The lug nuts are broken off. Yeah, it's the lug nuts that was broke up. I know. Yeah. What's that? The lug nuts breaking off.
No.
At the same time it crashed, it's just a total. No, it wasn't. It's just a total coincidence.
No. Okay. So this is what happened. I was okay, like it happened, and then she put her hazards on. Everyone stopped and went to the left because I'm like right behind her. And this guy, like you could tell right there, like his tire marks.
Tire marks on the wall.
It's on the right side. She was like literally on the emergency lane.
Stop, guys. One at a time.
She was literally on the emergency lane already, and this guy was going so fast, they literally bounced her off the emergency lane.
But it was cause when the tire came off.
Yeah. Oh no.
It's the cause of me going to the emergency lane already on the emergency lane. He was sitting back with me. But this is like illegal. What?
So the guy in the truck is trying to lie. That's how it looks. The guy in the truck is such a bullshitter. He's like lying and stuff. So he got a ticket too. Fucking pussy. Yep. So we're all good, thank God. So we're gonna go tow it to the parking lot and then fix the whole car. See you guys there. Alright guys, so we're towing it back to Bryce's house. She's good, thank God. So 3 studs broke on the wheel.